Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on Windows 11 PC. So if you see here on my computer, then you can see that there is no Wi-Fi option at all. So most of the time it's happening because the Wi-Fi adapter is either missing or disabled. So let's see how we can enable the disabled wireless adapter first. So press Windows and R on your keyboard, and here type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now you can see all of your network adapter in this screen. So this is my Wi-Fi adapter. So right now it is disabled. That's why we were not seeing Wi-Fi options on my PC. So you can double click to enable this adapter, or select this adapter and click on enable option here. Now once the network adapter is enabled, if you go back here and check, you can see Wi-Fi option now. So this is how we can enable the adapter. But what if Wi-Fi adapter is missing on your computer? So in that scenario, most probably you do not have Wi-Fi driver installed on your computer. So for that, you can either get it from Windows Update, or you can manually go to your device manufacturer and download the Wi-Fi driver. So how you can check that? So let me show you. One more time, go to run by pressing Windows and R, and here type devmgmt.msc and click on OK. Now we are on device manager. So if you expand these network adapters, you should be able to see Wi-Fi adapter listed here. If it's not listed, then most probably the driver has not been installed. So you can follow driver installation method through Windows Update. But if you see it being already listed here, you can make sure if the device is working properly by double clicking the device and checking the device status here. Right now you can see this device is working properly. So this is how we can troubleshoot the Wi-Fi icon not showing in Windows 11 PC.